player.
And we're in. Dude, pick up that sniper rifle over there. It'll be super cool. You like, you know, shoot down at the red team and no scopes and stuff. Be awesome.
Okay. Well, oh, there it is. Oh, and you're, sure it's okay with the other guy if I use it, right?
Yeah, dude, I'm sure. Just stop worrying about it. I'm gonna go kill some noobs right now. See ya.
Well, I guess he's right. I shouldn't be worrying about it. Let's go get some no scopes. No scope. Totally owned, noob.
Noob senses tingling. Must get sniper rifle.
Hey, noob. What?
Oh my god, you know what, you noob?
Hey, retard. What seems to be the problem, mister?
Oh, nothing much. It's just you took my freaking sniper rifle! Yeah, you see this on my back? It's a freaking katana. That means I'm better than anyone else in this game, and I am freaking God of Halo. Dude, you're just a freaking noob, and you should quit this game right now.
No way, dude. You're a bigger noob than I am.
Hey guys, I heard all the yelling and commotion and I decided to run up here and see what's going on. So, yeah, what seems to be the trouble right here?
Well, this noob says the sniper's his even though you said I could use it.
You know what, dude? You know what'd be really newbie? This. Yeah, who's a noob now, punk? Yeah, did you see that? Your guest thought I was a noob, so I owned him. So next time, think before you call me a noob. Wow, what a noob. Hey, what do you know? There was a sniper here the whole time. No scopes up?